course, she even had a cold and got lost in Paris. This time, she asked her husband to go for another one. She wanted to go to Tokyo this time. The husband, of course, was really upset. Of course, you see, he couldn't afford it, but he still pretended that it was okay. Suddenly, the thought crossed his mind. I could go and buy some lottery. I might win the first prize. It's over $1 million. He ran as fast as he can to the shop and bought the lottery with all his money. That night, the miracle happened. He won the first prize, and he felt really happy about this. So they went to Tokyo that night. When they arrived, it's already really late. Juanita still wants to go shopping, and she isn't tired of the jet lag. What a terrible thing, thought her husband. They first went to the most expensive restaurant for dinner, but unfortunately, Anita can't use fork, so she asked for chopsticks. After the dinner, the terrible thing happened. She forgot the wallet. It's in the hotel. Therefore, Anita had to pay by her credit card. The husband then went back to the hotel and got the wallet. Of course, Anita was really grouchy about this. So her husband then said that he will buy her some new jewelry, skirts, and t-shirts. This makes Anita really happy, because this will make her fashion collection go to 100. When they were at the cafe, another terrible thing happened. There's nothing in the world. The husband forgot it all in Taiwan. They both go crazy and stay in Japan, wait for their parents to send them money. Poor thing, huh?